Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use DoxyMe for video visits that we're doing in the office currently. So this is the doxy.me website. So if you go to this website, it will allow you to sign up for free, and I'll show you how that is. So you pick I'm a provider, and go through and enter the following information. So you'll put your name. You'll also enter in what you want to name, what your room is, and I think those at our practice we've named like TriHealth Anderson or something that would be familiar to patients. And then also you can either use your personal email and password or also create like a Gmail email account that would also serve as this as well. So luckily the patients aren't able to see that information. So again, you have a little bit of flexibility with that. So I'm going to take you back to where we were previously so you can see how to get back. Okay, so this takes us back to the DoxyMe homepage, and I'm going to just show you what some of the capabilities are. So I'll show you my default. So this is my login. So I created a trihealthanderson@gmail.com. I also made one for all the other members in our practice. So once you're signed in, this is what it looks like from the provider side of the portal. So what you can see is this is the link right here that you would send to patients. Now for the free link or free version of this web page, you'll actually have to copy this and either send it as a MyChart message or have this communicated by your triage nurses or yourself to patients that are wanting to do a video visit. Otherwise, with the paid version, you can actually invite them via text message or email, which is a nice capability too. And I think the subscription fee is about $30 a month. So once someone is actually, you've had them go to the website and they're able to log in, they will actually appear in the patient queue as a patient that you're able to actually click on, and then you're able to start the visit. So it is a pretty easy functionality. It doesn't seem very complicated and pretty smooth from the patient end as well. You will have to make sure that your webcam so that's an important thing to know. So as you can see, just a picture there as well. So hopefully this is a quick tutorial for you for the DoxyMe. Certainly, if you have any questions, I invite you certainly to email me or call me. But hopefully this was helpful. So thanks, guys.